Good morning, everyone. My name is Lokendra Singh Rathor, and I welcome you all in the meeting. Well, I can see 38, around 39 members in the meeting right away. And before we move further, I'd like to confirm the total strength of the class. So I guess this is your second week. Am I correct? Could you please respond in the chat box and confirm whether you can listen to my voice clearly or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you
Yes,
all
sir,
can.
your voice is clear.
Thank you very much for
Yes, sir.
responding. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thanks a
sir.
lot. Great, great, nice. So I
Yes, sir.
believe that you guys have been coming for 1 week already. This is your second week, isn't it?
It is, sir.
It is. So how many members are there in your batch, approximately? If you can just give me a number so that accordingly we can.
50, 55,
Okay,
something.
thanks very much, Rahil. So 53, 55 are the members. So we'll wait for like a couple of more minutes and then after we'll start. Okay, meanwhile, when we are already waiting for other people to join the meeting, I would like to ask, a few questions regarding your experience, in Marwadi College till now. See, I understand that probably, many of you might not be coming to the college physically, though, in this 1 week, what have been your experience? You can put that in the chat box. You can unmute yourself and speak. Your choice. कैसा रहा है आपका अभी तक का experience? I know it's a very short amount of time, and I'm asking it, too soon. But I don't know how many sessions we'll be having further in future. So better, asking these questions to you right away. So good, not good, comfortable. Acha, very good. Shweta has responded already. He says acha. Good. Dhruv says good. Okay. Very good. Oh. Okay, good. It's good. Nice. Nice. Well, I am pretty sure that your experience, upcoming experience, would also be very good only because computer, courses in this college have always been pretty good. So nice, and a new experience. Well, that's great. That's great. So, since this is the orientation session, uh, we're not directly going to talk about anything, related to your course or content. Rather, we are going to talk about something which might help you, going through the process of understanding and learning your academics. Oh, Hiren says, sir, it's very good. We enjoyed a lot, all the sessions. Well, that's really good to know. Moin says, awesome, great. Nancy says, nice and a new experience. Very good. So, till now, the responses I've received are pretty good. Seems pretty good. And I am very sure that your experience in future is going to be, as good as as it has been till now. Okay, now I think it's 11:23, so we must start with what we have for today. Okay, so first thing, I have shared the slides and I am hoping that all of you are able to see the screen clearly. If you can, just write yes in the chat box. See, the purpose of why I'm asking all of you to write that in the chat box, I want to see a response coming from all of you. I need to make sure that everyone is listening to the session. Okay. Okay, that's great. See, I really love when I get responses, enthusiastic responses from students. That's really, motivating and nice to see. Okay. Secondly, let me tell you, I am going to, keep the session mostly in English and partially in Hindi as well, because my purpose, is to, provide, is to prefer the understanding of the session to everyone in the best way possible, right? So we'll keep it in both the languages, so it's comfortable for mostly everyone. Okay. Now I'll give you a quick, brief about my introduction. Well, my name is Lokendra Singh Rathore, and I have mostly been in Mumbai, but for last almost 10 years, I have been living in Rajkot, right? And if I talk about my work experience, I used to provide training on English, management, and also IELTS. I have been an IELTS trainer. So, हाँ तिलक, मैं हिंदी भी बोलूँगा, don't worry about that. तो मैं IELTS का भी ट्रेनर रहा हूँ. I don't know how many of you have appeared for IELTS exam, or are preparing for it, or have prepared for it. I don't have idea, but I'm just hoping कि आप में से काफी लोगों को पता होगा IELTS का जो एग्जाम है वो क्या है, IELTS. How many of you are aware of this exam, IELTS? Okay, Nancy says me. Okay, sir, in which institute for IELTS? Monash. Okay. Okay, Monash, are you asking like where I used to provide training on IELTS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, actually, there were two institutes. One was Genex Languages earlier, and later EduTrek. Okay. Jil Bhalara, Mimi. Okay, so there are people who are aware of this exam. See, mostly students are, aware of this exam when they, plan to move out of country for further education. So when they plan to move to, say, Canada, US, Australia, Netherlands, so these places, when they UK, so when they plan to go to these countries and further their education, that is the time they would be definitely knowing about what is IELTS exam and everything about it. Because, yeah, exactly, Jeel, bands. So अगर आपको फॉरेन जाके पढ़ना है तो वहां पर आपको आइल्ट्स का एग्जाम क्लियर करके जाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि ये जो वीजा जब आपका लगता है ना, जो ये कंट्रीज हैं ये प्रिफर करती हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे कंट्री में आके पढ़ रहे हैं उनका एक इंग्लिश के लिए, इट इज ओनली रिलेटेड टू इंग्लिश, नो अदर नॉलेज इज टेस्टेड. सो उनका इंग्लिश का जो नॉलेज है ना वो एक लेवल तक हो, सो दैट द स्टूडेंट कैन अंडरस्टैंड द एजुकेशन प्रोवाइडेड टू हिम और हर इन दैट कंट्री. तो उसके अंदर बैंड सिस्टम होता है, ठीक है. 6.57 बैंड्स का कुछ एवरेज मांगते हैं काफी सारे कंट्रीज और काफी सारे कॉलेजेस, टू बी पर्टिकुलर. So yeah, I used to provide training on that too, before I joined Marwadi College. Okay, now what is my job profile here in this college, in this institute? So I'm pretty sure that we are going to meet in future as well, since we have our hands into a few things, like हमारे कुछ रेगुलर सेशंस होते हैं, जैसे प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स है, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है, इसके सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं, वी प्रोवाइड ट्रेनिंग ऑन दैट. आई बिलोंग टू लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट एंड दिस डिपार्टमेंट टेक्स केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. इसके अलावा हम लोग प्लेसमेंट ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं, राइट. इसके अलावा वी आर इनटू कम्युनिकेशन, लिटिल बिट इनटू कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंग्लिश लर्निंग, वर्बल एबिलिटी एंड ऑल, तो वो सब भी हम प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. So and these sessions, these regular sessions and special purpose training sessions, these are arranged in different semesters, and that makes it possible for us to meet you at different times, throughout the process, throughout the time you'll be completing your education here in Marwadi College, right? Okay, Harshil, क्या अब मेरी आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है? Okay. Harshil, can you hear me now? No, okay. What about rest of the people? Are you guys able to hear me properly? Why I'm asking this is,
Yes, sir.
okay. So I guess in that case, Harshil, there must be a problem with your system. Since, everyone else is able to hear me. And I would suggest, if in case you're not using earphones, you can try on that. Okay, so let's move further and see what we have. Network problems. Oh yeah, I understand that. That's one of the issues with online sessions. Okay, so welcome. Now I can see that there is one E missing in the spelling, but it is intentional, so don't worry about that. So what do we mean by welcome here? When you enter this room, learning is fun, cooperation is expected, our positive attitude and mutual respect will be a part of everything we do and say. So this is something which I'm showing you in this particular session. But trust me, if you follow these things in rest of the sessions as well, it is going to be fun. देखो कोई भी सेशन मजेदार सिर्फ फैसिलिटेटर, सिर्फ एजुकेटर की वजह से नहीं होता. जो एजुकेशन ले रहा है ना, उसके रिस्पॉन्स और उसके इन्वॉल्वमेंट की वजह से भी होता है. अब जिस तरह से आप लोगों के रिस्पॉन्स आ रहे हैं ना, दिस क्विक रिस्पॉन्स, नॉट लेजी रिस्पॉन्स, सो ये चीजें है ना एक सेशन को एक्चुअली लाइव बनाती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई से दैट इट्स लाइक it can only work if both the parties are involving appropriately. Right? So yes, okay. So learners need learning strategy and online experience. So now today we're going to discuss about learning strategy. What is learning? What do we mean by learning? ये सारी चीजों के बारे में हम आज थोड़ा बात करने वाले हैं. But don't worry, I'm not going to convert this session into textual or contextual basis. हम लोग अपना understanding जो है ना वो discuss करेंगे, and definitely we are going to include some of the experts as well. We'll see what their viewpoint, we'll see what their review is on learning, right? But before I express my views, before I invite the experts to give their expressions, their views, I would like to know it from you, right? Don't respond in the chat box right now. Let me share a link with you. Let's try to make it more interactive. Okay, so, and I want everyone to participate into this. See, I have shared a link. मैंने एक लिंक शेयर किया है, एंड मैं चाहता हूं कि आप सब इस लिंक को फॉलो करो. वहां पर एक क्वेश्चन आपको दिखेगा और उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर अपने हिसाब से दो. One person can respond for like 3 times. So लिंक फॉलो कीजिए और आपको जो सही लगता है ना, आपकी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, सी हिंदी और इंग्लिश दैट इज फाइन, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आपको हिंदी सही लगे तो हिंदी में, इंग्लिश सही लगे तो इंग्लिश में, अपने हिसाब से रिस्पॉन्स दीजिए. द क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल, व्हाट इज लर्निंग? आपको क्या लगता है, आपके हिसाब से लर्निंग किसे कहा जा सकता है? अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज लर्निंग? You can think it from a philosophical view, you can think about it from a practical viewpoint. Okay, so I'm waiting for your responses, everyone. आपके हिसाब से लर्निंग का क्या मतलब होता है? लर्निंग किसे कहा जा सकता है? ये रिस्पॉन्स आपको देना है. हाँ जी, बोलिए.
So learning is a process of understanding knowledge and behavior skills in that all.
Oh, excellent. Can you please give your name as well? Who's this?
Sir, Ravi.
Ravi. Okay, Ravi, your answer is absolutely correct, but I would really appreciate if you could give the same response, following the link. And let me also share the responses I'm receiving from all of you, and the responses are pretty good and pretty mature. Let me read the responses too. But before that, let me share it. You'll be able to see the responses on the screen, guys, in a moment.
Learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitude, and professional.
Okay, nice, nice. Okay, can you see the screen wherein the responses are being received? जो जहाँ पे receive हो रहे हैं ना responses, वो screen सब देख पा रहे हैं? What is learning वाला?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great, nice. But I have received only 11 responses. Rest of the people, you are all requested. देखो, जरूरी नहीं है सही लिखो, बस वो लिखो जो आपको सही लगता है. ठीक है, आपको क्या सही लगता है, क्या हो सकता है लर्निंग, वो लिखना है. क्योंकि आज का सेशन हम इस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं ना, तो ये जरूरी है कि पहले एक बार आप सोच के देखो कि लर्निंग किसे कह सकते हैं. ओके, अब कुछ बहुत ही बेहतरीन रिस्पॉन्सेज हैं यहाँ पे. एज थ्रू एक्सपीरियंसेस, वाओ, आई मीन इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. मतलब आप एक्सपीरियंसेस के थ्रू जब जाते हैं, निकलते हैं, और जो आपको मिलता है उसको लर्निंग बोलते हैं. वेरी गुड. Acquiring new understanding. See, this is a very important word. Acquiring new understanding is learning. Very nice, very good. Understanding, knowledge, skills. Wow. Right. Okay, edge through experience हुआ. Cognitive learning styles. Wow. Heavy words. Heavy driver है भाई. Cognitive learning styles, develop yourself, understanding knowledge, to understand something. Wow, beautiful. So okay, किसी ने सीखो लिखा है. Simple is that. Learning मतलब क्या, सीखना. सीखोगे क्या जो नहीं आता है. So it's again new knowledge, acquiring new knowledge. Very good. Innovation. Okay, nice. Okay, किसी ने हिंदी भी लिखा है. Wow. Results, studying. Okay, being educated. Okay, still received 18 responses. बाकी के जो लोग हैं वो भी अपना थोड़ा ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कीजिए और सोचिए और क्या हो सकता है इसमें, और क्या हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. किसी ने सीपीयू लिखा है लर्निंग में. ओके, नाइस. Okay, who reads after lecture? Good. Researching. Nice. देखो, ये आप जो लिखते हैं ना, जैसे आपने लिखा है व्हाट इज लर्निंग का, आपने एक आंसर दिया है. अब आप एक चीज समझो, जो आप आंसर दे रहे हो ना, ये सबसे पहले सही है या गलत है वो एक अलग चीज है, पर सबसे पहले ये आपका सही है. आपको लगता है कि इसे लर्निंग कहते हैं, तो अगर आपको ये लगता है ना, तो आप समझिए इस चीज को कि जब भी आप जिंदगी में अपने कुछ नया सीखना चाहेंगे या कुछ इफ यू वुड वांट टू डेवलप योरसेल्फ नो, तो आप इन चीजों के पीछे जरूर जाएंगे. अगर आप कहते हैं कि किसी पर्टिकुलर स्किल को सीखना लर्निंग है, तो आपके दिमाग में जरूर आएगा कि आई शुड डेवलप माई सेल्फ, आई शुड लर्न अ न्यू स्किल. अगर आपको लगता है कि रिसर्च करना लर्निंग है, देन यू आर अ पर्सन हु वुड always go towards researching on things when you want to develop yourself, when you want to see a positive change into yourself. So that's a good thing. और जिस तरह के रिस्पॉन्सेज आपको, देखो बीसीए के स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप, लेकिन जिस तरह के रिस्पॉन्सेज आपसे मिले हैं ना, these are quite mature responses. I really love them. Okay, facilitating learning. Nice. Okay. अच्छा, अब देखिए इसमें डिक्शनरी. ओके, अच्छा, अभी एक और चीज इसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं, बात करते हैं. अगर आप हमारा जो एजुकेशन, सी आई एम नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग एजुकेशन सिस्टम हियर, वेल एवरीवन नोज दैट वी कैन डू समथिंग, वी कैन डू सम मॉडिफिकेशंस to improve our education system, and we all have those ideas into our minds, right? हम सबके दिमाग में ऐसे कुछ आइडियाज हैं. मेरा पॉइंट यहाँ पे क्या है कि अगर हम अपने एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में देखें ना, तो कई बार हम ये ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि मोस्टली सब कुछ या तो ब्लैक रहता है या तो व्हाइट, या तो सही है या तो गलत है. आप देखिए, अगर एजुकेशन सिस्टम की बात करेंगे ना, तो ट्रू और फॉल्स में ही आंसर्स होते हैं. या तो ये सही हुआ आपका आंसर, या तो ये गलत हुआ आंसर. ठीक है. और तीसरा रिस्पॉन्स बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है. लेकिन अगर आज का टाइम देखें ना, तो जैसे जो मैं बता रहा हूं ना कि मॉडिफिकेशंस हो रहे हैं अपने लर्निंग सिस्टम में, एजुकेशन सिस्टम में, दोज मॉडिफिकेशंस आर एक्चुअली टेकिंग प्लेस, राइट. लेट मी शेयर द स्लाइड्स बैक एंड फर्दर द डिस्कशन. तो अब देखो, आजकल क्या केस स्टडीज बहुत होती हैं. ठीक है, एजुकेशन में प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच दिया जा रहा है, केस स्टडीज बहुत होती हैं. केस स्टडीज के अंदर क्या होता है कि अच्छा, पहले मेरे को बताइए, आप में से कितने लोग ये मानते हैं इस बात को कि हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में मोस्टली चीजों को दो साइड में देखा जाता है, या तो वो सही है या तो वो गलत है. डू यू, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि हर बात, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट इज असिस्ट on the basis of two sides, either true or false. Do you agree or not? Yes or no, guys? आप इस चीज को मानते हैं या नहीं मानते हैं? Yes, right. So everyone, please respond. Okay, nice, excellent, perfect. So maximum responses कह रहे हैं कि yes, we agree. Well, I do. मैं खुद भी इस चीज को बहुत ज्यादा तरीके से मानता हूं. पर अगर आप अब देखेंगे ना, तो देखो, आप बीसीए में आ गए हैं, अब आपको आगे भी ऐसा कई बार एक्सपीरियंस होगा. केस स्टडीज आएंगे और उसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा मालूम है? राइट आंसर एज सच नहीं होगा. काफी ऐसे केस स्टडीज है, ठीक है, मैनेजमेंट में भी ऐसे काफी केस स्टडीज आते हैं जिसमें कोई राइट आंसर नहीं है. आप एक आंसर चूज करते हैं और आप उसको एक ऐसा जस्टिफिकेशन देते हैं जो उस ऑप्शन को जो आपने चूज किया है उसे राइट बनाता है. ठीक है, लाइफ में भी ऐसा कई बार होगा कि आप कुछ करते हैं ना, यू टेक एन एक्शन, but the reasoning behind that action will actually prove whether that action was right or wrong. मैं एक एग्जांपल देके बताता हूँ. ओपन एंडेड, वेरी गुड जी, वेरी नाइस. एक एग्जांपल देके बताता हूँ कि दूध की थैली चुरा के भाग जाना किसी शॉप से, ये सही तो नहीं है, राइट? दिस इज अगर हम सिंपल सा देखें, यस और नो, इट्स इनकरेक्ट, राइट? बट देन इफ आई ऐड सम मोर इंफॉर्मेशन टू इट, कि दूध की थैली इसलिए चुरा के भागे क्योंकि 2-3 छोटे बच्चे थे जिसका कोई ध्यान रखने वाला नहीं था और वो भूखे बैठे थे. देयर वाज नो अदर ऑप्शन, तो वो दूध की थैली चुरा के भाग गए. ठीक है, तो अब आपको कैसा लगता है? उन भूखे बच्चों को खिलाने के लिए आपने चोरी की. नाउ डू यू थिंक इट इज जस्टिफाइबल? आपको लगता है अब ये सही है? यस, नो. आपने पहले चोरी किया तो हमें लगा कि नहीं, चोरी करना गलत है. फिर हम लोगों ने देखा कि दूध की थैली इसलिए चुराई ताकि किसी भूखे को खिला सके. नाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज इट राइट और नॉट? देखो, हम ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग की क्यों बात करते हैं ना, मैं आपको बताऊंगा. ओके, हार्दिक कह रहे हैं नो सर, रॉन्ग. बाकी लोग कह रहे हैं यस. ठीक है, आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर द रिस्पॉन्सेज. जील कह रहे हैं एथिकली रॉन्ग, इमोशनली राइट. ओके, वेरी नाइस जील, थॉट थ्रू इट, वेरी गुड. ओके, बाकी लोगों का क्या कहना है? ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले हार्दिक ने कहा है कि नहीं वो गलत है. तो हार्दिक, आप इसके ऊपर अपना कुछ और इस पे ओपिनियन देना चाहेंगे? व्हाई? जैसा मैंने कहा ना, दिस इज अ केस, इसमें राइट या रॉन्ग मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, इसमें मैं आपसे सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूं कि आपका ये व्यू पॉइंट क्यों है.
क्योंकि सर वो किसी बड़े को कहकर भी वो अलग तरह से मदद कर सकता था.
पर ऐसा हो सकता है कि शायद वो भी अनाथ है और जो बच्चे भूखे हैं वो भी अनाथ है, मतलब कोई बड़ा उनके साथ में है नहीं. चुराने का सिचुएशन, हाँ,
तो फिर अलग बात है,
तो भी गलत बात है. ठीक है, तो हार्दिक अपने पॉइंट पे फिक्स है कि वो बात तो सही नहीं है. ठीक है ना. प्रेजिन कह रहे हैं चोरी चोरी होती है. ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. सी, आई रियली लाइक द रिस्पॉन्सेस, दोनों साइड के, जो सही कह रहे हैं जो गलत कह रहे हैं. अब मैं आपको एक तीसरा व्यू पॉइंट बताता हूँ इसी केस का। जैसे हार्दिक ने भी कहा और प्रजिन ने भी कहा और आई गेस जील ने भी कहा कि एथिकली तो गलत है लेकिन काम सही है, इमोशनली वो काम सही था। अब मेरा पॉइंट इसमें यह है कि अब अगर आपने चोरी की, मतलब क्या आप फिजिकली केपेबल हैं? तो आप फिजिकली केपेबल हैं तो आप उस शॉपकीपर से ये बोल सकते हैं कि मैं 2 से 3 दिन आपके यहाँ पे फ्री में काम करूंगा, जो आप काम करवाओगे, बस उन बच्चों को दूध की थैली दे दो। ये भी तो पॉसिबिलिटी तो थी ना एक, इट वॉज ऑल्सो अ पॉसिबिलिटी, यस और नो? आप उसको बोल सकते थे, उसके लिए 2-3 दिन और ज्यादा काम कर लेते, किसी और के वहां पे काम कर लेते, कुछ भी ऐसा किया जा सकता है, जैसा कुछ हार्दिक कहने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। सो यू हैव डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस। हमने क्या देखा? हमने ये देखा कि पहले तो चोरी की है तो हमें गलत लगा, नो। फिर हमने देखा कि चोरी किसी अच्छे काम के लिए की है तो हमें सही लगा, यस। फिर हमने तीसरा व्यू पॉइंट देखने की कोशिश की तो वापस हमें लगा कि नहीं, गलत है। पॉइंट यहां पे क्या है मेरा, कि आंसर सिर्फ सही या गलत हो ये जरूरी नहीं है, आंसर वैलिड और अनवैलिड भी हो सकता है, वैलिड और अनवैलिड। कौन ऐसे कह रहे हैं, सर द हिंदी इज टू मच, आई कैंट गेट एनीथिंग राइट नाउ सिंस आई एम अनॉन्स। ओ आई एम सॉरी कॉन्ग, I didn't know that, so we can keep the session mostly in English. That won't be a problem at all, right? So well, my point is that when we talk about education, it should not only be limited to yes or no, true or false. It can also include validation or non-valid or unvalid, right? Yes, Rahil. Rahil is saying that maybe because the shopkeeper did not want or did not need any worker, any helper, right? So what I'm trying to say here, Rahil, that if you'll ask for like a couple of milk bags, milk pouches, it is not going to be very expensive. So it would be like what, 50 rupees? Now, if you get a person who can work for you for like 2 to 3 days, only in 50 rupees, probably nobody would say no to that person. And even if that shopkeeper is saying no, there are multiple options. It is not necessary that you buy only milk, or even if you want to buy only milk, looking at the age of those small kids, there are other shops as well. Somebody you will find. So why we are discussing about this thing, no, Rahil? See, if you justify this theft today, if you say that I stole those milk bags for a good cause, that's why I am right, well, then it would be very difficult to justify. See, I want a KTM bike, so for me, stealing to get a KTM bike is ethical enough. It is not. I'm just giving an example. If today you can justify your act of stealing milk pouches to feed those small kids, in that case, Robin Hood is also right. Many of you will say that actually he is right. But then people will start stealing from the world, and nobody would be able to, fixate on this, that whether the act was right or not. It's a little bit of detailing right now because there was this question. The whole point is there has to be a valid or unvalid answer as well. And why am I talking about that? If you see this screen, let me share this again. Let me share this. Okay. So if you see the screen, there are multiple answers, but you see most of these answers would be valid. I'm not saying yes or no, correct or incorrect, but most of these answers are valid, because if you try to think about these responses, somewhere in your mind you'll find that okay, there is a possibility of considering these answers as valid answer. Right? So with that being said, let's move further and see what we have next in the session. Okay. Now we'll talk a little about the core, the process. Rahil, I understand. I'm just trying to give example. See, say, for me, KTM is a luxury. It is not a necessity. Right? Milk pouch is a necessity. So emotionally we start thinking that okay, it is more important, right? Okay, it is more important. But if I change the concept, if I change the ideation, if I say that there is a boy, his last wish is to have a KTM bike, right? And he is going to die. Now for that reason I am stealing so that I can buy a KTM and gift that bike to that boy, that person. Now it will seem good, but ultimately it is wrong only. It is, incorrect only. Situational. uh, just by taking the support of situation, you cannot make an incorrect or an unvalid act well. Most probably, someday, maybe I'm saying, we might also have session on professional ethics. In that session we would definitely discuss about these things in depth, right? Professional ethics के बारे में जैसे राहिल आप कह रहे हैं ना, I understand. There are debates and arguments on this, saying that अगर वो पाउच चुराकर बच्चों को पिलाया जा रहा है ना दूध, तो वो गलत एक्ट नहीं है. और इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि it is more like a case wherein you need to see the situation, then you need to give your justification, and based on that it would be assessed where the action, whether the action you took was correct or not. चलो हम उसी चीज में आगे बढ़ते हैं. देखो ये सब डिस्कस करने का रीजन क्या था? व्हाट वाज द पर्पस of discussing all these things? I wanted all of you to start thinking, to start developing an attitude, so that we can go on the right track in today's session. अब देखो, when we talk about the core of learning, this is the process. You have an attitude, your attitude will decide your behavior will decide your actions will give you results, and your results will boost or motivate or demotivate you in your performance, and the circle will keep going. Let me give you again one example to understand this part better. Suppose you are a rich person, not a rich person right now. Say you earned a lot throughout your life. For 20-25 years you worked very hard and you earned a good amount of money, right? Because you have a very positive attitude, right? And then you invested all that money into a business because you are very positive and you want to excel in your life. So you invested the money. आपने वो सारा पैसा invest किया एक business में. Your attitude is to keep moving, and accordingly you behaved. You thought, you made a plan, and then you put that into action. What action did you take? You put all that money into a business, right? And what was the result? The result was the business didn't work. You lost everything. You invested huge amount, 20 to 25 years of your hard work, your sweat and blood, and you invested all that in the business, and you ended up having nothing, like zero, right? So you have got entirely demotivated. Result is nothing, and you got entirely demotivated. What would you do in such a case, in such a situation? See, don't tell me what a person must do. Tell me what you think you would have done if you have been into such situation. अगर आप ऐसी स्थिति में हो, अगर आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में आ जाओ, आपने जीवन भर बहुत मेहनत करके 20-25 साल बहुत मेहनत करके पैसा कमाया, उसको एक बिजनेस में डाला, बिजनेस फेल हो गया पूरा, ठीक है, आप डेट में हो, आप पता आपने लोन ले रखा है, आपको चुकाने के पैसे नहीं, आप एकदम सड़क पे आ गए. अब आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में क्या करेंगे? व्हाट वुड यू चूज टू डू? बहुत बड़ा डेट है, बहुत जीवन भर की मेहनत है, अब आप devastated, you are into a vulnerable situation. What would you do? What would you choose to do in this situation? In the chat box, guys, everyone, looking for your responses. Okay. I don't like lazy people. I want everyone to, be active and give responses. So, show me what you would do. Imran says, start working again. Imran, it's a really tough call to take, but since you are saying this, I am believing. Very good. Okay. Tilak says, start working always again. Wow. So it seems a strong decision. ये बहुत मुश्किल है अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन. You imagine yourself into that. 20-25 साल, it's not a less amount of time, and you invest all that money into a business. You waste few years after that. You waste or say invest few years after that business, and then again you have nothing. Hardik says, try to fix it, and part-time job like small jobs. Oh, nice, nice. Nancy says, when we are starting a business, we must keep a backup plan for this situation. Okay. Aditya says, we should not give up and do work as much we can do. Again, starters, okay. Hiren says, again, starters working and build again that business. Nice. Harshil says, sir, I start working again. Tilak says, sir, hamesha motivate rehna chahiye. Very good. Kong says, I would try to venture to another business if I had any other capital or raise some. Okay. Nice, nice ideas. Now, why I ask this question? See, your mindset plays a very crucial role in whatever you achieve in your life or whatever you lose in your life. See, we all have experienced this thing. We all have studied, I'm not talking about all of you, but imagine yourself studying in a class. When you were young, when you were in school, you used to study in the same class with plenty of other students, but not everyone was scoring first rank. Not everyone was scoring first rank. Not everyone was the brightest student. Not everyone was the best in extracurricular activities. There were different people, different proficiency, different level of understandings. Why so? Faculties used to teach same thing to every student. The environment was similar. Books, everybody has those books. Then why some students were performing the best and some were performing the worst? Why was this difference there? This is all because of the mindset. Today, what response I'm receiving from you guys, that I'll start working again, I'll start working hard again. Now think about those students. They fail once in their life, like in one subject they would fail, and they'll feel like they have lost everything in their life. Mindset I'm talking about. Then there are others. See, I know such a person personally. She was sister of one of my friends. She failed in 11th standard. That girl, she failed, like not in one subject. She failed 11th standard, right? And this is not a made-up story. This is a true story. CBSE board, she failed in 11th standard. Next year, exactly next year, she was first in the class. She scored first rank in the class. She had two options. Either she could have, cribbed about it. She would have cried about it in the entire year, missing her friends who have already left and moved further. Or the second was to prove herself again. So those people, who were like, your sister failed, or how could you fail 11th standard? Now the same people, they started developing respect for this girl. Why? Because she had a right mindset. Right. Ravi says, sir, 95% brain will think to do suicide, but we should do something. Ravi, this is what exactly I'm talking about. You have, perfectly raised this point here. Very nice. Always positive. Should start working again. Sahil says, try to learn from that experience. Wow, very nice. And start again. Learning from the experience is very important here. Different mindsets. She had set her mindset very well. Nancy, absolutely. That's the point. See, when you are not hurt, when you are not demotivated, Getting motivated is not very difficult. But when you are already hurt, when you are already demotivated, when you are already vulnerable, when you are already devastated, that moment, you know, gathering all your courage, gathering all that positive energy and start working out on life, that's very difficult. But that's what right mindset lead you to. Right. Rahil says, I'm also fail in 12th standard. Okay. But what you did next, that's the whole point. See, now, why am I talking about these things? Now, let me give you a very important formula. The formula is, you can see that in the chat box, E plus R equals to O. Some of you might already be aware of this formula, but this is one of the very crucial learnings of life. Since we're talking about learning, this is one of the crucial learnings. E plus R equals to O. That means events plus response will equal to the outcome of your life. When I say events, tell me one thing. Can you control events? You know, if there is this earthquake, can you control that? Unless you are X-Men. So we cannot control earthquake, right? Right. Okay. So for example, you got sick, extremely sick during the exams, and you couldn't even write the exams properly. But can you control that? Jill says, we find a bunker to hide in. Absolutely, that is the response. Nancy, but we can control our, oh wow, excellent Nancy. That's what the whole point is. Events will keep happening in your life. Some would be heartwarming, some would be heart, crushing. जिंदगी में चीजें होती रहेंगी, कुछ बहुत खुशी देंगी, कुछ बहुत दुख देंगी. But events are something which you can never control in your life. Your best friend, got a very good job, very, career excelling job, and for that reason he or she has to leave the city. But you cannot control that. That person will leave. What you can control is your response. So what? I mean, you have earned for like 20-25 years, you invest all that money into a business and you fail. You fail, that's bad. You fail, that's sad. But this is an event. It happened. You couldn't control it. You did what you could, but this is an event and it happened. Now you couldn't control it. But what you can control is your response. See, some people, like, I guess Ravi said that some people might choose the way of attempting or committing suicide. So what would be the outcome then? What would be the outcome of life? Event is failure in business. Response, did suicide. Outcome is 100% failure. There were people depending on you. Now those people, they are supportless. They don't have any support now. And this is a complete failure, definite failure. No other options to it, right? Instead of that, many people said that, sir, we would learn from the experience, we will start again, we'll try again, we'll, even if we are on the road, we'll again try to, raise funds from some other places, we'll invest that, we'll, use the experience and try to get success this time. Now there are two options. Many of you might say, sir, dobara fail ho gaya to, what if he fails next time as well? Let me tell you, it is a possibility. Second time again, you can fail. I'm not denying to the possibility, but try and understand. If you're trying again, there is a possibility 50-50%. You might fail, you might succeed. But if you are attempting suicide, 100% failure. 100% failure. So that's the point. Now, if you remember the story of Arunima Sinha, how many of you know that person? How many of you know Arunima Sinha? Those who are not aware of her story, I would suggest you to go through it and you will be definitely inspired. See, I am really inspired by her. She is really inspired. She is an inspirational lady. So, she was, she was a victim of theft, these loot and theft in the train. She was thrown out of the train, she fell on the track. Almost 40 to 50 trains passed by. She lost one of her legs. She was there from like midnight, 12 o'clock to morning 4 or 5 a.m. And she was into a very pathetic situation all night there. Was admitted to a nearby hospital by the local people in the morning. The moment she woke up, she was asked this question by the reporters, what do you think? What would you do now? The response in that situation, you have lost your leg, and she was a national sports person. See, you all would be able to relate this, that if you are a sports person, your physical fitness, how important could that be? You all might be able to understand that, right? So after losing one of her legs, national sports person, she says that after all that happened with me, this night, if I'm still alive, God wants me to do something great. God wants me to do something huge. And now I'm going to do something very huge, and I'm going to climb Mount Everest without that one leg of hers. She takes this decision, and she was no skilled person in climbing a mountain, but she takes this decision. 3 months she took to recover from her injuries, from pain and everything, right? And she doesn't go to home from there. She starts practicing to climb Mount Everest. So that's the story, inspiring enough. Point is, event happened, she took a response, she took a positive response, and then we all know what happened. She hasn't climbed only Mount Everest till now, she has actually climbed all the 6 tallest peaks of the world, and she is recognized by many organizations, even our prime minister, by country. She is a very recognizable person, and her interviews are at like every place. You can check out about her on Google, and there is like a 30 minutes video of her experience, and that's really inspiring, right? So the whole point here is your mindset. See, this is your orientation session, and I would want all of you to understand this, that your mindset has to be perfect, right? So now let's talk about how can we define learning. See, we have tried to define learning from different perspectives, our own perspectives. Now let's invite these people, these experts as well, who can also give us some ideas of what they think learning is all about, right? अब उनका भी थोड़ा आइडिएशन देखते हैं. थॉमस एडिसन स्टोरी, नैन्सी, वेरी ट्रू. आदमी शिद्दत जो होता है, शिद्दत और पागलपन किसी चीज को पाने का, थॉमस एडिसन इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स. वेरी ट्रू. Okay, so now let's learn about learning from these people as well. So Plato, if you don't know about him, his name is Plato. He says, never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how. See, there is a blank. What would you write there? Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress. This is learning according to Plato. Plato सोचते हैं कि learning इसे कहते हैं. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how. What should be there? No matter how the performance is. Okay, good. Any other response? No matter how difficult it is. Very good. Makes sense. No matter how perfection. No matter how's the outcome. Okay. Okay. So let's see the right answer as well. आप लोगों के रिस्पॉन्सेज जो हैं वो काफी हद तक वैलिड लगते हैं, पर जो प्लेटो ने कहा था ना, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली स्लो. वो क्या कहते हैं कि धीरे ही सही तुम सीखते चले जा रहे हो, देन इट इज लर्निंग. स्लो इट इज, इट्स फाइन, बट इफ यू आर कंटिन्यूअसली लर्निंग समथिंग, दैट इज व्हाट is important, and that is what matters. Okay. Now let's also try and understand what Rosaline Yellow has to say. देखो प्लेटो जो है ना, ही इज वन ऑफ दोज पर्सन जिन्होंने एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सिटी सिस्टम है ना, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी सिस्टम ही उन्होंने शुरू किया था, प्लेटो ने। ठीक है, उनका एजुकेशन फील्ड में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा था। रोजलिन जो है ना, उनको फिजियो उनको यू नो शी इज बीइंग अवॉर्डेड with let me tell you that, yeah, Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. तो उनका भी बहुत बड़ा contribution रहा है towards the world, and this is what she thinks. So what do you think should be there in the blank? The blank of learning separates youth from old age. As long as you are learning, you are not old. So what? Okay, the enthusiasm, very good. ये जो आपका रिस्पॉन्स है ना, काफी सुटेबल लगता है। द एंथुसियाज्म ऑफ लर्निंग सेपरेट्स यूथ फ्रॉम ओल्ड एज, वेरी नाइस रिस्पॉन्स, वेरी नाइस रिस्पॉन्स जी। एनीवन एल्स? द वे ऑफ लर्निंग सेपरेट्स, ओके, नाइस, लॉजिकल, मेक सेंस। द फेलियर ऑफ लर्निंग, वाओ, ओके, हार्दिक, गुड। एनी मोर रिस्पॉन्स गाइज? The age of learning separates. Okay, Dhruv, it was, yeah, it sounds sensible but funny too. Okay, Imran says speed of learning, passion of learning. Nancy says, okay. Well, the right answer is excitement. So you can say enthusiasm was also almost similar to it, right? So the excitement of learning. See, you want to learn. You are, many of you might be aware of this thing, that there was one time when in government jobs, computers were introduced, and people were so fed up with that fact, government employees started giving resignation from their jobs because they were not able to cope with this new thing, with this new learning, right? And this is the fact, it happened actually. So the point is, the excitement of learning separates youth from old age. And that's the reason it is said that when you are young, you are more open to learn new things compared to when you get really old and you are, you block yourself in learning new things. So, till the time you are open to learning new things, consider yourself young and a learner. You can check on Sachin Tendulkar. Even at the age of retirement, he was saying that I'm still learning and I'm still improving. And that's what makes him a very perfect learner. Right? So with that being said, guys, I'll end up this session here itself, but I want all of you to be here. Nobody should leave the meeting. कोई अभी मीटिंग नहीं आप छोड़ेंगे, and पहले मुझे आप लोगों का attendance चाहिएगा आज. I hope, guys, you all learned and you all enjoyed the session, right? Just give me a moment, and I'm also sharing the link for attendance. I've shared a link. Please follow this link and fill up the form, fill up the attendance. आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये अटेंडेंस जरूर फिल कर दीजिएगा। और इसके साथ एक और चीज है जो मैं आप लोगों से चाहता हूं, प्लीज बी देयर, होल्ड योरसेल्फ देयर ओनली। Okay.
Sir, which email we should write in this form?
Well, if you can write your Marwadi's email, that would be the best. Okay. So guys, one more request, a humble request to all of you. I have shared one more link. This link is for your feedback. So how did you find the session today? आपको आज का सेशन कैसा लगा? आप उस लिंक पे फॉलो करके, जैसे आपने अभी ऊपर वाला व्हाट इज लर्निंग का जैसे आंसर दिया था ना, सेम वेज आप इसके अंदर अपना रिस्पॉन्स दे सकते हैं. आई वुड बी रियली ग्रेटफुल इफ यू कैन डू दैट. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day. Please don't miss out on filling your attendance and responding to the feedback. फैनिल बेटा, आप लोगों को अटेंडेंस है ना, यहाँ पर चैट बॉक्स में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने अगर जो अटेंडेंस का जो मैंने लिंक शेयर किया है ना, अगर आपने उसमें अटेंडेंस भर दिया है, दैट्स ऑल. उसके बाद चैट बॉक्स में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And further, I just want all of you to respond to the feedback link as well. Once you guys are done with both the things, you may leave the meeting. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too have a great day, Hardik. Welcome everyone. Have a nice day. You too. Bye.